The current worldwide situation with COVID-19 provides unique challenges for collaborative engineering workflows. Whereas my design team used to typically be in the same office or collaborating across different offices, I now have most of my engineering staff working from home, so I have to find new ways in order to collaborate on designs. So with PlantSight and the cloud service that we are providing here through iTwin Services, we have the ability to do things like data visualizations. So while one user is checking in their design and doing their design work, another can be coming in and looking to see if it checks against my equipment list, what have you. So for instance, I can do a data visualization where I pick the valve class and the material construction attribute and recolor the model based on that. Same thing for valve size or piping or anything like that. I can do spot checks based on these data visualizations, make sure the data for these valves that have been entered is accurate, and that I can now check against this, and anything that is out of place or is the wrong material or wrong size, I can use the issue resolution service to flag that to another user, send him that information back, and collaborate with them in real time through the web and through our cloud services with PlantSight.